Okay, Charlotte's, Mia, Big Charlie. Okay, we're here. We're gonna put this together. This is a cat bulldozer store and go. So basically, all your toys are stored in the box, and the box opens.
My water bottle is in there.
Your water bottle's in there.
Yeah.
Where's your water bottle?
Did I put it in there?
You did. Oh, it opens both sides.
Oh my
And then
god.
we can play with it like so. You have a couple ramps. You go up and down.
Oh my
all
god.
around. But they did open it before I had wanted them to. They
Daddy.
were very excited for it. So we got to try to figure out how this goes. This looks like maybe the ramp, and this is the piece in the middle. It looks like here, right? Looks like it goes in here according to the picture, right? I'm pretty sure. Let's see how this goes. So let's see if we can slide it in.
Give a like and subscribe.
It looks like it does, but so
Sure, give us
this
a like and link down below.
this side is higher than this side down here, right? And this piece is higher up than this piece, right?
Yeah.
So it tells you there that you have to slide this one in because this piece is higher. So let's see if we can get it to slide in. Or maybe it doesn't slide in, maybe it pops in. It looks like it might pop in instead. Okay. That's it.
Can we put this in there?
Now this looks like it has two pieces, right? Two hitches, basically. And there's two pieces here, right? So I'm gonna guess that this goes right here.
Yep.
Boom.
That goes right
So
there.
now
Can I help you?
you are helping me, right? Here's one piece. Put that over there,
Where?
right there. We're gonna sort it out. We gotta see the pieces that we have. So this looks like another ramp. Okay. Oh, okay. This is in the picture, right? This is in the picture. So this is like a hoist. That,
And then this goes like this.
this goes out like that so you can drive your diggers.
And then, whoa, do you see that? That was cool.
That was crazy.
Look.
Let's see.
Oh, hold on,
But
look.
now we have a whole box of other stuff. There's deals so we can run the rope around.
And then turn it up.
What is she doing behind it? Turn it up all the way. All the way. Okay. Right. Now what else do we have? We have some road signs.
Can I do it? Road sign.
This, another road sign. Some boulders.
Motor.
Boulders. So now we can put the road signs out here. Caution. Okay, good. You got cones. You got
Can
road
I help
cones.
you with this?
Yeah, I'm helping. Yeah, you're helping me too. Okay. Oh, open that one. There's another machine. Mia, can you open this
Don't
one?
let me open.
And we have another road sign. I'm not sure where this one goes though. Oh, this is. Guess what these are? These ones are magnets.
Huh?
These ones are magnets.
Uh-oh.
You know where you
Open
can put
it.
those?
What?
All around here.
Can I try?
Look it. Let me show you. You can stick it to there. Now it's a warning.
Daddy, can you give me one?
Yeah, put it right over here in front. Put the triangles over here. So everybody knows there's a hazard. Now, now this, Charlie, according to the picture, these pieces, they go all around so that we can get the cars over the edges of the box. So one goes here, or it goes like this, I think.
Hey, Daddy.
do it on this side so we can see it. It goes right underneath the front, and then this one goes.
Ah! The square.
I think, right
Square
on the
fall.
back.
Daddy, the square fell.
The square fell.
Yes,
How did
this.
that happen? Oh, just like that, bud. And then I think we have another one. I don't know if that one goes. This one might go here too, so that they can come out. Or no, that doesn't work. No, they might go on this side so they can come out the other side. So that's pretty much what we have going on here. It's all set up. Now you can play with it, and then I don't know what these things are though. I'm not sure what these little guys are. It doesn't say anything. What do you think these are for,
Well,
Charlie?
you don't need to do it. I don't know.
You don't know?
Let me check this out.
What are these? What are these, Mia? Do you have any thoughts? Do you have any ideas of what it could be? What do you think?
It could be like somewhere on top, or just like make it like stay still.
I'm not sure.
No.
I don't know what this is for. Where is this gonna go to?
No, you join like this and then do.
Yeah, but where does this go?
Oh. To the secret engine.
See, we could put these back here.
Hey.
Sorry.
Because they're working over
And now they're building the boat. They're pushing the rocks. They got the traffic over here. Wait, along the street. And then now they have to come in this way. They gotta come in around. They gotta pick the backhoe up. It won't. Does it stay up? Okay. Bring them around. They come up. You gotta lift the bucket up.
Daddy, you do this. You do this, Daddy.
Wow.
Ah!
Me is silly, right? Oh no!
Of course it doesn't. Daddy, a walk.
Like a rock. I don't know if anybody watching this will know that song. Oh, like a rock. What? What did I do? What happened?
The digger goes here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
He's picking up blocks.
And what's he gonna do with them?
So are we done with this?
We're still playing. Are you done with it? Dancing lady in the background? I'm not sure if your head's in it though. Because you're kind of like cutting your head off a little bit. It is, you were watching? Oh, so crazy. We still have a Christmas tree up.
Yeah.
I was walking through.
Comment down below.
I was
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now.
Now I hope you did it. Yeah, bye.
Like, subscribe, and share. No, we're not done. I wasn't gonna wrap it up. Whoa.
Well, when we're ready, we're gonna wrap it up.
Yeah, when we're ready. Duh. Silly. I was walking through the city today, and everywhere still has Christmas decorations up. Right now it's January 5th. Yeah, and
Well, it's still winter, so we can stop.
it's actually, I don't think it's even winter yet. Hey Siri, when is the first day of winter?
I need to pick up a big shiner.
Oh, okay. I'm sick. I had no idea. Wow, shows how much I know. So it is winter. Didn't feel like winter yesterday. It was 60 degrees. That was hot, right?
Hot.
In New York. But I was walking through Manhattan and everybody still had Christmas decorations up. And usually, I feel like they're always down by now.
Down? Why?
So what are they building, Charles?
Well, it's still winter, so we can still like have our Christmas.
Yeah. Well, Christmas is happy all time of year. What?
Ow. Let's put this back. This is so heavy. I mean,
Good.
see?
Yep.
If I'm very hot. Look, everybody. Woo! Also, that's another trick that you can do with your sleeves. These fell. Also, I'm not gonna do these like things anymore. I'm just gonna play with them. So enjoy.
All right. So everybody, we're gonna wrap it up. It's almost gonna be bedtime soon. We gotta work on our outro. What's our outro? Ciao ciao. I think that's a good one. Yeah.
Ciao ciao. Have the best day
We're gonna
ever.
say it on 1.
Ciao ciao.
No, wait. Hold on. 1, 2,
2, 3.
Ciao ciao.